Hey guys, right before the video starts, I want to let you know you can comment a zone idea down below, and the one with the most thumbs up, I will go ahead and build. The game will be pretty much endless, like, as long as I can keep thinking of new zone ideas, I'm just going to keep adding to it and adding to it. And no, it's not out yet. If you're new to the channel, I can't give a release date either because, yeah. Anyways, definitely go ahead and comment zone ideas down below if you want to see anything specific within the game. Looking forward to seeing what ideas you guys have. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Robuilder YouTube channel. Today we need to build the hacker zone. Last time we built the hacker shop, and now it is the time to build the zone. And I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do this. I want to do it sort of like the flower zone, so like the same vibe or aesthetic with these border walls, but of course we would use the hacker themed ones. But prop wise, I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do, because there's not a lot that fits hacker themed. So first things first, I'll go ahead and get the borders done, because those take like literally 60 seconds, and then we'll try to figure out what we can do to add some cool character and everything like that. And if we think of any really cool prop ideas, we might even add on to the shop. Oh, and real quick, guys, I never ask, but I feel like I need to start so I can keep growing. Make sure you drop a like on the video and drop a comment down below. And hey, if you're not subscribed, you gotta subscribe if you like the content. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and do these borders. Alright, so I guess first things first, we can kind of add the 1001100 things, the little hacker things, just like this. And then we can add these wires as well, because we've already have those made. I'm genuinely struggling trying to think of like what we can use to fill up the areas for a couple of reasons. First reason, I don't want things to be like absolutely massive. I don't know, it just would probably throw off like everything. These wires are so cool though with the little glitch things on them. I think I'm gonna make the size of this one like a 3. Yeah, just to take up a little more space. And I'm gonna duplicate this wire. Or no, I want to do this guy. But of course, make it a lot smaller and rotate it differently, all of that good stuff. But I was thinking like maybe some kind of arcade machines and make them, I don't know, like just green and black. But I also don't know if only green and black is gonna like kill this zone dead. Like if it's only green and black, what's like overly the point? Like where is, can you even separate things in your head, you know? So I'm not too sure yet. I will add these on the outside kind of floating, because it just adds something, and that blue will look pretty dang cool. We'll put probably 3. Let me go over some, down some, and then this one we will go kind of way down. And I don't want them directly centered, like how these are closer on this side than this side. I think that's good. I'm gonna duplicate these, move them over here, and then move each one of those around a little bit so we can not have the same thing on each side. It'll also look a lot better when it's dark outside, which you know, pretty easy fix with this beautiful plugin right here. Boom, now it's dark. But I'm not gonna have it like that for now. So what do I make to fill up the space other than these wires? And ooh, I kind of like this. I duplicated them and turned them so it's like more like it's 4 that are connecting into one spot. Or at least close to it. And I think we might actually do something here in the middle as a prop. Some sort of electric prop, though, you know, like something that obviously needs power. Let me center these a little bit, and maybe we'll put like some sort of a computer or something in the middle that looks glitchy. I'm just not sure what. Alright guys, so we took this stuff from the side, made it red, and now we have it in the middle. And I want to do the force field type of thing over the top. So basically, if you don't know, there's a way to like sort of animate-ish kind of a thing with textures in the force field material. So check this out. Force field, perfect. Now we have this, and then we need to add a texture ID. I'll use this one. Any texture will give you a different result. So if you want something different than this, you just have to do a different texture. And then, of course, we could size that up, and this is going to look pretty cool. And we definitely need to change the color as well of this. But I think that's kind of cool. Like, you kind of come in the middle. Should I scale this up so it's kind of, like, massive, like a centerpiece? And then do the same with the text inside? Something like this. All right, and then we will make this, should we go red? Red makes sense, but I feel like a purple would look really cool here as well. All right, so we're going to do this plum color, and then just so we can have a little bit of a cohesiveness within the zone, I'm going to change all of these little hover things to purple as well, or that plum color, which is purple, but you know, we'll call it by its actual name. I'm not going to change the ones in the shop, though. This will be just one way that we can kind of differentiate this zone from the shop. These will be that plum color, and then those will stay cyan. So, hey, we're going into the shop. Boom. And now out of the shop. I'm almost curious if I should change all of these to red instead of green. So, like, this would be a hacker shop, and then it'd be like a red zone. But I'm not too sure yet on if I want to do that, or if it would even look cool. Need to make that one plum too. But I think there's not too much I can do other than what I've done, because I don't want to have a bunch of props on the sides. All right, I think we'll call it on this one. Let me go ahead, do some lighting stuff, find a skybox, and then we'll be back. All right, so I typed in dark skybox because hacker skybox just kind of gives us a lot of weird stuff. Ooh, this actually might be a keeper first try. We have a nice space, it's very dark, and it makes the zone pop very, very good. And then, of course, with lighting, if you notice on the back wall, you can see quite a bit. I do have it tinted, the ambient at least, sort of a yellowish orange, and that gives a very, very awesome vibe over here when you have the other sky. It makes it look very warm and inviting, but of course you don't want to have it like that in every zone. For example, it looks very bad in the winter zone. Like, bro, why does it look warm in winter? So that's something that we'll have to change a little bit later on when we set up zone lighting. So each zone will have its own skybox and lighting settings and all of that kind of stuff. But to fix that, we just have to take the ambient, make it straight white, and now it looks so much better already. This is looking pretty cool. I could move the sun around to kind of affect the shadows and whatnot. I'll probably just put it under the map since it's sort of dark. Maybe up a little bit. Ooh, this looks cool in like a weird way, but not in a gameplay way. If we put it straight on the top, we got something like this, so it's still very light, even though it's dark outside. And if we put it at the bottom, it is pretty dark. So I'm thinking we'll probably just have to like half it. Something like this. But then, no, I'm keeping it in the sky because now we can actually see all of the skybox and it looks really cool. But guys, I think this is it. I think this is the hacker zone. I'm pretty stoked with the way it came out. I am going to have this warm ambient for now, just so I don't lose that one. I think it looks perfect for the spawn zone, so I'm trying not to mess it up. Anyways, I think that's it for the hacker zone. We have so many more zones to build. As you can see, boom, boom. I've got a lot more pets to make. Just a lot of everything, really. So if you're hyped and you want to see more content like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.